Hi, Alex. I'm Austin from CuriosityStream. I have a question for you. How do you provide professional development to your staff to better their day to day workload with respect to technology?
Hello, Austin. It's a good question because for years we've been training our people online and offline. We have a bunch of video courses for our new employees and experienced ones. But what really interesting, last year we decided that we have to start to teach our new employees before they're hired, because we found out it's too expensive. When we hire someone and he doesn't produce anything really valuable and we need to pay salary, we need to provide him or her with the workplace. And this is why we changed our approach. So when we hire people, we tell them, okay, guys, do you want to become a part of the team, of our team, consulting company, management consulting company? If you're really interested in, please, this is your free course. It takes about only 2 weeks, which is not something small. And on this course, they learn how we deliver our consulting service, what our consulting service is, what is our approach, what results our clients have at the end of the day. And the people, everyone who is interested and can start this course. And after they finish this course, they can apply for a position in our company. And this is the moment when we start our hiring process. But in general, your question, yes, we use a lot of online courses created only for our employees. For us, it's not a big challenge because we have a lot of training materials online. It's like hundreds or maybe thousands of hours, lessons and everything. And we don't have some in-house old style academy or something like this. No, only we conduct some physical trainings only for communication and public speaking skills. Everything else is online.